In June 1651, the honours were secretly taken to Edinburgh Castle, 80 miles north of Edinburgh on the east coast of Scotland. There they were hidden from Cromwell's army. But the castle was soon besieged, and the honours demanded by the English. Two courageous local women saved the regalia by smuggling them out of the castle under the watchful eye of Cromwell's men. The pieces were then buried in nearby Kenneth Church, where they lay hidden for the next 8 years.
Consider that though we suffer under many grievances, our dependence on the courts of England is the cause of the law, and is the band that ties up the bundle. If we break this, they will all drop and fall to the ground. If not, this band will stiffen us more and more, till we shall be no longer a people.
December 1705, the Earl of Roxburgh.
The more I think of union, the more I like it.
October 1706, my Lord Belhaven.
Above all, I see our ancient mother Caledonia, covering herself, attending the fatal war, and breaking out of fast. When I consider this treaty as it has been explained to us, I see the English Constitution remaining firm, the same two Houses of Parliament, the same taxes, the same customs, the same excises, the same trade and companies, the same municipal laws and court of judicature, and all others either subject to regulations or annihilations. Only we have the honour to pay their old debts. Good God, what is this? An entire surrender!
November 1706, the Marquis of Annandale.
That we are willing to enter into such a union with our neighbours of England as shall unite us entirely and after the most strict manner in all their and our interests of succession, wars, alliances and trade, reserving to us the sovereignty and independency of our crown and monarchy, and immunities of the kingdom and the constitution.
November 1706, the Duke of Atholl.
The incorporating union of the Crown and Kingdom of Scotland with the Crown and Kingdom of England is contrary to the honour, interest, fundamental laws and constitution of this kingdom.
November 1706, the Marquis of Annandale.
Subversive of the sovereignty, fundamental constitution and claim of right of this kingdom, and is threatening ruin to this church as by law established.
March 1707.
When the ponderous lid of the chest being forced open at the expense of some time and labour, the regalia
You should be on.
covered with linen cloths, exactly as they had been left in the year 1707.
You're in the meeting,